We'll guide you through how to post multiple photos on an Instagram story with one song. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you can go and open Instagram as I've already done here. Now, what you need to do is you need to come to the home page. So go and tap home in the bottom left. You want to go and swipe across and this will open up. At the bottom, make sure you go and select story. Then you want to go over to the left and find the two A's. That goes and says create, and you want to go and tap there. In the bottom right, you can keep tapping and changing the color. You can actually go and change this later as well, so it doesn't matter too much, but tap the two A's at the bottom. And you can still go and press the color icon and go and change it, as you can see. Now, what you can do is you can go and press on the sticker button over in the top right. And you can go and press photo and choose a photo you want to get started with. I could tap this here. You can pinch it to make it bigger. You can make it full screen if you wanted to, or just go and choose the position of it. You can also go and start tapping on it and go and change how it's cropped as well, as you can see. Now, what you can do is you can go and position it where you want it to be. I could go and add another by pressing that sticker button again, choosing a different one. And you can then go and once again tap on it to go and change it and drag it down to the trash can to go and delete it as well, if you don't like it for whatever reason. Now you can go and press the text button in the top right to add text. You can press stickers and you can actually go and add more stickers as well if you want. Now to go and add music, you go and press that music button over to the right in the list. And then you can go and find a track you want. So you can go and search for something, look at trending. I could go and add this song here. You can tap on it and hear how it sounds. Then you can press the arrow in the bottom right and go and choose the section you want. And what you can then do is go and choose the look of it. So at the moment it's got the cover. You could go and have that, or you can just have the cross and it will just have the music. So choose what you want. And you can go and choose the length of it over to the left as well. Then you can go and press done and you've now added it. So what you can then do when you're ready is press your story in the bottom left and it will then go and be added.